Hey, I'm John McGann from Hot Rod Magazine, and I'm here working on our 86 Buick Regal project for Car Craft Video. And Ryan from QA1 is scanning the bottom of the car right now, so while that's happening, my friend Bill offered to take me on a shop tour of QA1 to see how their components are made. And I'm excited, I may even get to put some shocks together or weld up some control arms.
So this is our space. Everything we make is right here. As you can see over here, we've got our CNC that's all fully automated, and then 25 or 50 feet that way is where all of our sales and tech support is. So anytime somebody's saying, hey, how do I install this part, or what size bolt is this supposed to be, you're talking to somebody who is literally 50 feet from where everything is made.
I love seeing manufacturing facilities, so personally. It's so cool to see how things are made.
This is 12-foot bar stock aluminum. That bar gets fed through here. This machine is turning out shock bodies. And once this robot here is gonna take a shock body and it will drop it right in its home. And these machines are all set up to run 24 hours a day. So it's a 24 hours, like, lights out operation that these things can run. John, this is Ben Johnson. He's our shock room manager. He's gonna actually have you kind of build up one of the shocks that we're gonna put on the car. So you can turn it over to Ben and get into the nitty gritty.
Yeah, thanks. So here I got the base and body assembly for the mod shock. Feel free to grab this base here and set it in the fixture. Next you'll be taking the comp tube. You can just stick it right inside the top there. So we got the comp tube in, we're gonna go ahead and get the body on. Go ahead and thread that on about halfway. Now we're gonna take this part here, we're gonna put it in this vise. Go ahead and ratchet that down, the little prongs will fit in the little holes. And you can go until the torque wrench clicks. Now you're gonna slowly lower the piston inside the comp tube, being careful not to bind up on the piston wrap or anything. All right, we got the base and body all assembled. We'll connect the canister now. Excellent. So there we go. It's an assembled shock. Still needs to be oil filled, gas charged, and dynoed. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is one of our welding bays. In this case, you can see Jimmy welding up upper shock mount. Hey, Jimmy. Jimmy, John.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We're installing parts on that G-body back there. We thought we'd come check out where you stick them together.
Yeah, I actually got some parts right over here that I can let you have a stab at.
I'd love that, yeah, that'd be great.
All right.
Thanks.
Look at that, a professional. There you go.
How'd it go?
I wish I'd done a little bit
Think
better.
we're gonna box them up?
No, not that
Do you think we're gonna box those ones up, Jimmy?
No.
The second one we could.
We have all the human welders, and then this is a robotic welder.
Wow.
And so a lot of our parts we run through a robotic welder, just something that we can, you know, run continuously. It comes out something like this.
Okay.
So this is a raw control arm.
Yeah.
It's very similar to what we will be installing on the car.
The car we've got waiting for us to
Like the car, we've got a lot of stuff waiting to go do, so
Okay.
we better get busy.
Sounds good. I had a great day here at QA1 Suspension where I got to assemble some parts, assemble a shock, weld up some control arms. Here they are on the car, and here's the car on the ground. So you get to see, start to finish, raw parts, raw material, finished product. I couldn't be more happy with the way our car turned out. For more information on this build, go to MotorTrend's YouTube channel and search for the Car Craft Buick Regal.